So here I'm with an update. As per the given criteria and the given template document, I have created a setup through which you can generate the PDF, and I'll show you how. So as per your given data, so once you copy the data from the email text, which is at the bottom of the email, you get two rows. So you just need to copy those rows and paste in here. Sorry, paste. You just need to click on this yellow cell and Control Shift V, or you can right click and paste special to paste the value. So you can click Control Shift V or Command Shift V if you are using Mac. Once these are here, you will be seeing the data readily available in the final format, which should be updated in the database. Let me delete this for the time being. So this is the data which we just got from the email. Now there are two ways. Either you can just click this button and add this data into the database. Once you click this and add this data into the database, you see everything is get clear because the data has been transferred into the database, which is here on this row. You can see all the data here. Now, if you want to make any changes in the party cost, travel cost, package cost, you can always make the changes in here. This is one way. The other way is that, let me copy the data once again, and I'll jump in here. I'll go to the entry tab, Control Shift V. And now, for example, I've just pasted the data in here, and I want to make some modification in this data. So what I can do, I can jump in this cell, and I can make the changes in here. Let me put some random numbers in here. Just the random numbers. So these are few things which I just added. Let me add this 200 another with this one. And similarly, if you will add any text in this cell, like let me add added text. So what will happen? This will get transferred or added into the first line code. So this is how you can use this. Though it is not needed, maybe the cell will only be used for this. So this is the second way. Okay, so if I click on this add in database, you will see everything will get cleared, and you will be seeing the data with the modification I just made in here. All right. So there are two ways. Either you can paste the data first and then make the entries, make the changes in here like this, whatever. Or you can always make the changes on the entry sheet in the yellow cell and then transfer the data. So once the data is transferred into the database, now the PDF generation is ready, and you can jump in on the second button. So there are three things: paste the data, transfer into the database, and generate the PDF. So I'll click on this generate the PDF, and it will start generating the PDFs for these, and you will be seeing the URLs in here and the PDF names in here. You can see the script is running, and obviously once you will be running this for the first time, it will ask you for the authorization. I'll let you know how to process that, because that is standard operating procedure from Google. So you'll be able to see the PDF shortly in here. And yes, there is a PDF folder I have already designated for in my drive, so that it will generate the PDF with this name. You can see Dan Harris 23. So whatever the first name and the last name is, it will add the text prefix of invoice dash first name, last name, and then the date, timestamp, and that is it. Okay, you can see the URLs are here, and if I click on this URL and then I'll click the option, it will show me the PDF generated. You can see Dan Harris and all the relevant entries which I just made the changes in, all are there, and you are a valued customer. This was the first one. You can always click on and download the PDF for further attachment through your PC. So you are not using the Gmail account. So let me open the other one. Click on this. Click on this. You can see the changes are already there. 204, whatever the change I just made, and there were no comments added. Let's see for the last one. So these are my new comments. So this was the comment I just made, and you can see all of the formatting is good. The numbers are there. So if the numbers are available, those will be presented in here. If not, those won't be. All right, so that is it from my side. I think this is working fine. And how you can process it multiple rows. So you don't need to press the PDF. We can automate the time we can add some functionality in here that as soon as you will enter the text in here, it will do the rest of the things by itself. So what it will do, it will create the raw in the database. And yes, obviously, because you are going to make some changes in the numbers and then generate the PDF, this is why we have to keep the generate PDF as a separate. Otherwise, we could have combined all of the functionality in one button. But as you need to just enter the data, make the modification, and then generate the PDF. So this there is where the separate button of generate PDF will be helping. Now there is another functionality that if the PDF is already being generated for this one, all of the 3 entries, and you want to make any changes in it. So what you need to do, you need to click delete the URL. Otherwise, if you will again press the generate PDF button, it won't do anything because the PDFs are already there. So script finished automatic instantly. But if you will delete the PDF name and the URL and then generate the PDF, it will create a new PDF with the modified information if you have made any modification, and it will give you the URL accordingly, which you can further use for the downloading of the PDF and use accordingly. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.